Not social nigga, now I'm making friends. I just got a mention, not in person, it's a beachfront. If she bringing 4 friends, I know I hit at least one. Got them all 10 and by the pool, and they greased up. Police in my city, man, I keep their pockets greased up.
Hey guys, it's me Tati and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tapping in one more good old time. That means you're consistent on watching me, and I honestly with you for that. So there's that. I'm gonna go skip straight to the chase, and I'm gonna talk about the infamous app of Clubhouse. So pretty much Clubhouse is an app where people go in as like a big conference call group, in my point of view. You pretty much get to talk in a room with a bunch of strangers, whether you're networking or you're bullshitting or you're just talking shit or you're just trying to get to know people. You want to open a business through the phone, whatever you want to do. That's pretty much the purpose of the app. Pretty much has the concept of a legit Clubhouse, meaning that someone has to let you in order for you to use the app. I thought about why I don't make a video about this. I figured that a lot of people been like, oh, I only have one invite and I don't know who to give it to, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna show you guys real quick, how can you possibly invite someone inside of the club without using an invite. First step, have that person save your phone number and have their phone number saved. Second, create a conversation through iMessage. Third, have that person create an account in Clubhouse. When they create an account, they're gonna send themselves a code and they're gonna reserve their ad name. Make sure that the person signed up with their phone number, because if they sign up with their email, it is not going to work. After their ad name is reserved, the person who is on Clubhouse is going on their notification bar and they're going to check that so and so who just try to sign into Clubhouse, and it's gonna give that person an option to either let them in or decline them without having an invite. You can still let people in, you just gotta have them in your contacts. So that's literally the only way that I figured out to get people into Clubhouse without using invite. If it doesn't work out for you, I don't know what to tell you, because do I look like I'm the creator of Clubhouse? I'm not, so chill on that, you know what I mean? If it doesn't, congrats, you just figure out a way and just invite more people into Clubhouse. But that's pretty much it. That's the tea on that. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you didn't, then I don't know what to tell you, man. Just gonna have to keep searching for that invite. And I'll be seeing y'all on my next video. Peace.
Put that top left, I love my Cody to death. Hype Williams,